Do you train your cat? I want to train him. I think it doesn't work. Okay. Kuta.
Oh, I feel like instantly it's like more of a pale kind of,
Pale.
or maybe just like more even, but yeah. I feel like my dark circles too.
And Kuta.
Yeah.
Even.
That explains why I have more of these pinks than I do corally colors. Yeah.
Yellow scale. So warm tone. Kuta.
Yeah, I hated the last one.
Gold and silver. What did you prefer?
I always wear gold.
Okay.
I feel like I'm about to find out I shouldn't be.
Silver. Gold.
All my jewelry.
Yeah, silver would be a bit better with your like skin tone, and like your hair color is like the blonde.
The blonde, yeah.
Yeah, like gold is like not bad.
Yeah.
And then like light gold or like silver would be a better choice.
Yeah, I like that much better.
But like pastel tones in general, good.
Yeah.
The blue looks really nice on you. It makes you like very like clean and like clear and like shiny look.
Yeah, totally. Go for blue all the time.
Muted brings out your redness and makes you look matte and not shiny. So compared to this, so this you're like shiny and glassy here. So
okay, I see that. Yeah.
Matte. Yeah,
more matte.
Dry. Yeah.
Okay.
The redness pops out and makes you a little dull. And it kind of washes you out compared to the light shade.
Yeah, I feel like my eye is a big difference.
Yeah, it is. Eyes are more like sparkly, and like the skin looks more like glowy as well. So compared to this would be better. So you need like clearness in the colors.
Yeah, I love that color too. So I feel like I'm getting a win in.
Winter time next. Yeah. So let's see. So it pops out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if it's like too strong, it's not the best. So the clear colors are okay, but like the best is like
these
lighter
ones. Yeah.
colors,
I definitely have more of these blues. Yeah. That's a huge difference, actually. That's crazy. I feel like everybody should have this done.
It makes you very yellowish and red.
Yeah.
See?
This I would never ever touch this color. My mom loves this color. She's always like, "Look at this," and I'm like, "No."
Yeah, redness pops out too much, so not really good. So it reflected a lot on your face. That means it does not really harmonize with you. Yeah, so not really good. You are good with light colors.
Yeah, that's interesting.
And let's see the autumn tips. Okay.
Yeah,
like
I feel
here,
pink and shadowy. Yeah.
It is like shades comes out too. Here, like shades comes out as well. Like redness comes out too. So
I can see that.
Yeah, this and this. See?
Yeah, I feel like my pimple was like popping out on the other one.
It is. So like redness comes out in here, not here, not here. Redness comes out, but here way even out your skin tone. And see, like there was like double chip. Yeah.
It's like the shadow instantly. Yeah.
It goes away.
I always struggle picking whites. Like I never know if I should go bright white or like creamy white.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah, so like white is like better.
Okay.
Ivory is like not bad because you are good with like light shade.
Yeah.
Okay. Both warms and
just in general.
But but like best is white.
White.
Yeah, white. White is a little strong. Yeah.
Oh no.
High contrast. Medium contrast. So your best color zone would be light.
I'm pleased with this. See, I feel like before I would have said I feel so pale, but when I've seen them next to the other colors, I'm like, no, I feel more like less red. Yeah, less red, less shadows. Like.
So this is the best. And second best, spring light, summer light.
Better, yeah.
Very good. And west color zone.
Yeah, so you're not in autumn.
So not really a dark shade.
Yeah.
Better with.
Just so red.
Colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, light colors.
So much better.
Way better for you. Sorry. Neutral. And warm tone. Yellowish. Cool tone.
Yep.
Way better. You can go for like neutral as well because you have a little bit redness so to cover it.
Yeah.
So makeup style for light type of people are more soft and feminine image. And moisturized and clean skin, dewy skin, that's good. And like glossy lips. So like,
I always go for that. I always
glossy.
gloss or like balm kind of
Lip
thing.
balm,
Yeah.
exactly. So glossy lips and natural makeup. not smoky type.
Yeah.
So like no makeup look.
Mm-hmm. That's kind of more what I tend to do now anyway.
Yeah.
In high school, it was all like dark eyeliner and stuff. Clearly, that was not doing me favors.
And here's the accessories
Yeah.
for like types. More feminine and clean, and like pearls and like cubic zirconia, something small and shiny, things like that. Black, the little strong.
Too much contrast.
Yeah.
So medium, light. If you like color, not
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
And let's see the ashy colors. Ashy colors.
Oh. Yeah.
Light shades are like okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or like
The ashy
highlights are
colours.
also good too.
Yeah,
So that yours is like not that like yellow.
Yeah, it's just my
Yeah,
natural
yeah.
like
You have
bleaching
the
it
cooler
out. Yeah.
colors
Yeah.
rather than the yellow.
So like as a basic items,
Mhm.
like trousers or like the like skirts, gray would be good basic colors for you.
Oh, okay.
So like eyeliner, do not use like black.
Yeah.
You're better with like brown.
Okay,
Brown
that's good to
or like ashy brown. And like use the eyeshadow as an eyeliner would be okay too. And
Yeah.
you're good with like shimmery glitters as well.
Yeah, I love
glitters.
love glitter.
Like lip color, pinky base lip, but like glossy and shiny. So like
Yeah.
lip balm type. And the blush, whitish blushes like this, so like whitish pink or like lavender, that kind of
Oh,
colors.
interesting.
You
Yeah,
can
that'd be
try.
nice.
Yeah.